Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will start syllabus of next term for mathematics students of plus 1 class, and topic name is straight lines. First of all, what is straight lines? The shortest distance between 2 points is called straight line. For example, we have 2 points A and B, and shortest distance between these 2 points is called straight line. Firstly, we will discuss some basic concepts related with straight lines that are helpful in MCQs. Then we will solve some examples. This is rectangular system of axes. We have two axes. This is two-dimensional plane because we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. This is origin. These things you already learnt in previous classes. This is origin and coordinates of origin is 0, 0. This is 2, 3 point. Coordinate system. A point in the two-dimensional plane is written as pxy. Point is written as P2, 3. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. X is called abscissa, 2 is abscissa, and y is called ordinate. This is ordinate. Similarly, in this point, -5 is abscissa and 7 is ordinate. Now, general equation of a straight line. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called the general equation of the straight line. This is general equation of the straight line. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation of straight line where a, b, c, that is 2, 3 and 4 are constants and x, y are variables. Because degree of this equation is 1, that is highest power of x and y is 1. So this is linear equation. Sometimes MCQ from this topic is asked that what is degree of equation of straight line? Then the answer is linear. Rectangular coordinates. Signs of x and y coordinate in different quadrants. This is first, second, third and fourth. In first quadrant, x and y both are positive, so plus plus. And in second quadrant, x is positive and y is negative, so plus minus. And similarly in third and fourth quadrant. Coordinates of midpoint. If AB is line segment, then M is midpoint. If we divide AB in equal parts, that is if length of AB is 4 cm, then AM is 2 and MB is also 2, then M is called midpoint of AB. If coordinates of A is x1, y1, coordinates of B is x2, y2, then coordinates of midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now, centroid of a triangle. The centroid of a triangle is the point of intersection of its three medians. this is a triangle and point of intersection of its three medians is called centroid. It is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Distance formula. If we have a 2 points P and Q, x1 y1 and x2 y2, then PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root. This is very important formula, section formula. If the line joining the points P and Q, if P, Q, coordinates of P is x1, y1, coordinates of Q is x2, y2, and this is M ratio N. The coordinates of this point P is given by this formula M x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Similarly for y coordinate m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. And this is for midpoint formula. If m is in the mid, that is m and n are equal, then x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is for area of a triangle whose vertices are given. If we have a triangle A, P, Q and R, vertices of P are x1, y1, Q, x2, y2 and R is x3, y3, then area is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. If the area equals 0, if area of the triangle is 0, then these 3 points are collinear. If 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. Because if 3 points are collinear, then triangle is not formed. So that's why area of triangle is 0. So to prove 3 points are collinear, we have to prove that area of that particular triangle is equal to